Guys, my name's Tate. Sorry that I haven't done a video in a while, but look, it's a new thing. I'm sorry that I didn't show this earlier, but we are going to do a new world. This time we're gonna go play with the little fishes. I guess we can do survival. Come on. So we're gonna go say hi to Santa. Say hi. Oopsie. There. But say hi to Santa in the comments. Ah, it's a white sky. What happened? Oh, there. Wait. Oh yeah, I gotta turn this on. Great. I have to pause the video. Sorry guys, but I gotta pause the video. So, I'll be right back. I'm trying to... I forget. Great. I'm at 3. What are the controls? If you can please, guys, if you guys can help me with the controls, that'd be so nice. But oh, I don't know what to do because I forget the controls. No, get out. Boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to pull up the main menu. Great. Home.